In this video, we will be studying about the three-dimensional shapes. We have heard about 3D. We all know 3D. Now, what are 3D? Three-dimensional shapes. Your three-dimensional shapes are the shapes that are not flat, that have a solid part in it. So, these are your three-dimensional shapes, like your football or your playing ball. Right? Your football, it has it is a sphere, as it has a solid part inside it. Covering is round, but it is solid. But when you take a paper and you cut a circle, it is a flat shape. There is nothing solid in that shape. So that normal circle, if you cut it on a paper, is your two-dimensional figure, whereas your ball is a sphere and it is a three-dimensional figure. Similarly, if I say an ice cream cone, an ice cream cone is also a three-dimensional because something you have to fill in it. It is not a flat shape. But when you cut the cone on the paper, it is a flat shape, then it is a 2D. If I say a cylinder, it is again a cylindrical shape. So it is a cylinder and it is also a 3D shape. Now if you take an ice cube, your mother might ask you that get me 5 ice cubes. Now what is a cube? It is again, in this way you have a cube of ice. So ice cube means ice has a solid part in it. So this is a cube where all sides are equal. All sides are equal. All the sides are of 4. Let's say it's a 4 centimeter. So all the sides are of 4 centimeter. This is a cube when all the sides are equal. Cuboid. Now your box, your pencil box is a cuboid. Now I have drawn a three-dimensional figure. So in this, all the sides are not equal. Two opposite sides are equal. So this is a cuboid. See, if you cut a rectangle on a paper, it is a 2D figure. But when it has a solid part in it, like your geometry box, your normal boxes, all are your cuboids. Now if I say cube have all the sides similar, whereas your square, when you cut a square on a paper, it is a flat figure. Square is a 2D figure. Whereas if I say cube, it is a three-dimensional figure. Now again, if I say a triangle. Now triangle is a two-dimensional figure because it has nothing in solid. But if I make a pyramid, in that case, it is a three-dimensional because pyramid has something solid in it. So pyramid is a three-dimensional figure. Now this is a solid figure. This is a three-dimensional figure. And you can see this figure. Now in this part, when you see a geometry box, then this part is known as your face. These lines, these corners are known as your edges. And these points where two lines join each other are known as the vertices. So this is all about a three-dimensional figures. Now you can see a matchbox. It is again, what is the shape of the matchbox? Matchbox is cuboid. Your cylinder is a cylindrical shape. It's a cylindrical 3D shape. If I say a sweet laddu. It is the shape of a sphere. So all these shapes that you see are solid, have some or the other 3D shapes to it. I hope you have understood the three-dimensional shapes. Do download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.